Hello everyone, today I will share with you the reasons why bolts and nuts cannot be installed after hot dip galvanizing. Number 1. Stress damage. During the hot dip galvanizing process, in the appropriate process, damage or improper operation can easily cause damage to the struts of bolts, resulting in the ability to tighten properly. Number 2. Zinc accumulation on struts. There are generally two reasons for zinc accumulation on struts. First, the bolts and nuts were not short blasted before galvanizing, resulting in bursts. Second, there was defects during the hot dip galvanizing process, causing zinc accumulation on the struts of the bolt and nuts. Number 3, during the hot dip galvanizing process, it may affect the fitting accuracy of bolts and nuts, resulting in difficulty in tightening. Follow me to learn more about fastener product.